illustration. Today we are going to draw this part. So first of all, today we are going to draw on front plane. Select front plane, sketch, line command, and you can see I'm going to draw this face from here. Just roughly draw this one, escape. Now you can see I have drawn from here to here and this one. Now smart dimension 55 and 45. From this line is of 45 and this line is of 55, and furthermore this height is of 8 millimeters. This is of 8 millimeters and total height is 30. Total height means this height is 80 30, sorry, 80 not 30. This is 30. Okay, now you can see I have drawn this sketch and I am going to extrude it up to 70. Features, extrude, and extrude up to 70. Okay, now I have drawn this part. You can see just like this I have drawn. Now I am going to extrude this part. This is 25 millimeters and 17 millimeters. This face, sketch, control 8, rectangle, smart dimension 25 and height is 17. And one more thing, select this line and this line and make a relation collinear. Okay, this is 25 and height is 17, and we have to extrude it. You can see this is extruded up to here, means 105, and you can minus 55, so it's 50. Features, extrude up to 50. Okay, furthermore we have drawn this part, and this part we have to extrude its height, which is 30 millimeters. Again select this face, sketch, control 8, rectangle from this end to this end, and this dimension is of 25 and 17. Once again smart dimension, this is of 17. Simply extrude it up to 30. Extrude up to 30 mm. Okay, this is done. From here you can see as this one is done. Now I am going to draw this U-shaped channel. Now for the top U channel part, select this face, sketch, select line command. I am going to draw from this line. Select line from here to here, make a vertical line, then horizontal, then again vertical line, horizontal line, then same height from here to here. One more thing, you can see this line is not vertical, so make it vertical. Okay, now smart dimension, this side is of 8 millimeters, this side is also of 8 millimeters, this inner side is of 30 millimeters, and by default it's should be 46, so check. Yes, it's 46. Okay, now this outer line is of 25. Once check, this one is 25 and 15, 25, and inner one is of 15. Okay, make it is of 15, so it should be done. Okay, now you can find the midpoint, click, press Ctrl and find the midpoint of this line. Midpoint, here is midpoint. So select this and make relation coincident. Okay, now this U channel is done and it is extruded up to 40. Simply features, extrude up to 40 mm, and this is coming on the right hand side and we have to draw on the left hand side. And okay, now you can see this is done. Go to appearance, give it some color. Okay, change its view from plain white or black drop perspective, and you can see, select this face and appearance, change its color. Okay, it's done. Okay, and one more thing, we forget to draw this circle, these holes. This is of 22 millimeter dia and 30 millimeter. Control 8, sketch one circle, select circle, one circle, two circle, escape, select both and make a relation equal and now this is of 22 millimeter dia, smart dimension. This is of 22 millimeters, and now you can see 30 millimeters from this corner, 30 millimeter from this corner, 30 millimeters. Escape, select these midpoints and make relation vertical. Okay, now one more thing, this distance is 18 and 34, 18 and 34 from midpoint to here. It's 18 and between these two is from here to here, it's 34 or 34. Okay, and from here to here is 18. Okay, now simply extruded cut, go to features, extrude cut, and through all, or blind up to 40 or some large dimension. Now it's done. You can see it is done. So this one is also done. Hope you guys can understand this tutorial. If you have any query, you can ask me on the comment section.